Hey everyone, it's time for a carnivorous plant update. I will be quick, this is just an overview of how the collection looks now. I have been dividing my Sarracenia and repotting everything with new long fiber sphagnum moss. Many of my plants have been long due for division and pot upgrades. This is what I've been using and did not add perlite to the mix this time around. I've grown a group of plants like this before and I've had no issues. My plants will be growing in 100% long fibered sphagnum moss for the next 2 years. Dividing and repotting all of my carnivorous plants is taking me longer than I expected. I started last December, which was last year, 2020 December, and I'm still going at it. I have my Sundew collection to clean up, and I've got my small Nepenthes group to repot and clean up as well. Oh yeah, one major note to mention. All of my Venus flytraps died, except for one cultivar. Yeah. This is my Venus flytrap graveyard. Those tags there are tombstones, and I lost all of these cultivars during 2020's heat waves. I forgot to water them for several consecutive hot, dry days, and they all fried. The sphagnum moss was rock hard, and the poor plants dried to death in the heat. I am very sorry to all of these Venus flytraps. This was a major mistake and a huge lesson learned for me. All of these plants right here have been divided and repotted and are ready to grow bigger and healthier than before. I need to keep up with them and make sure I keep them happy. This year is going to be the best year yet for me and my plants. I will keep you guys updated throughout the months with some more footage of these beauties. Doesn't look like much going on right now, but I promise this table is going to look great once they start waking up. Now let's take a quick look at my small Nepenthes collection. Like I mentioned earlier, I have some cleaning up to do and repotting with these guys. Identification tags are lost in the pots. I don't even know what's going on in here. Lots of green, which is good. I just need it to start warming up out here so we can see some pictures form. What do you guys think? Does it look like I'm doing something wrong? Please let me know in the comments below. Now let's shoot up and take a look at my Sundew collection. This is the real jungle in here, you guys. What is going on in here? Oh man, oh no. I have so much to do in here, it's almost overwhelming to think about it. It is the same setup as I've always had, just in a different location now. I will most definitely finish this work in here and make an update on these. These two humidifier water vaporizers are still running strong. They keep my plants' humidity up, just how they like it. They have been used daily for a good long time now. I wasn't really expecting these to last too long outdoors, but they have. Maybe because I only run RO through them. Let's take one more look at my newly repotted and divided plants one more time before I close out this video. Thanks for subscribing to my channel and supporting what I love doing. If there are any questions you have for me, please drop them down in the comments below. You guys stay safe out there and don't forget to love yourselves and think positive always. Peace.